Meaning of gullibility.
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 Gullibility. Gullibility refers to the quality of being easily deceived or tricked. A gullible person is someone who is often taken advantage of due to their naive and trusting nature. Such people tend to believe things at face value, without questioning the credibility or veracity of the information presented to them. They may also lack critical thinking skills and be overly credulous, making them susceptible to scams, frauds, and other forms of exploitation. Ultimately, gullibility can lead to significant financial, emotional, and social harm if not recognized and addressed.